Good morning, dear students. Last time we had to completed exercise 3.4 up to question number 15. Now we will start question number 16. We have to find inverse of given matrix in 3 by 3. Okay. So first of all, we have to start from A. Let A is equals to 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5. 2, 5, 0. We have to apply elementary row transformation. So write down. We know that A is equal to IA. So now we have to putting the value of A and I. Therefore 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5. 2, 5, 0 is equal to identity matrix in 3 by 3. So we will write down 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What is our goal? We have to make a left hand side will be identity matrix. So we have to make first element will be 1. So here 1 is already made. So next goal we have to make these two elements will be 0. So we have to apply the row transformation and we make given two element will be 0. So we have to multiply by first row by minus plus 3 and add in second row, and same thing we have to apply first row multiply by minus 2 and add in third row. So we have to write R1 multiply by 3 and add in R2, and second R1 multiply by minus 2 because minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 and adding third row. So R3. Okay. So therefore, first row as it is 1, 3, minus 2. 1, 3, minus 2. Both these sides first row as it is 1, 0, 0 into 8. So what about second row? So we have to multiply by 3 to first row and adding second row. So 3 1s are 3, minus 3, 0. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 0. So 9. Next 3 2s are 6, minus 6, minus 5. So minus 11. Same thing we have to apply on right hand side. So 3 1s are 3 plus 0, 3. 0 3s are 0 plus 1, 1. And 0 3s are 0 plus 0, 0. Next, you have to apply second operation. First row multiply by minus 2 and adding third row. So minus 2 plus 2 0. Minus 2 3s are minus 6 plus 1 minus 1. Minus plus 2s are 4 plus 0 4. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Here 0 0. So third row as it is these two elements 0 1. Okay. Next, next we have to multiply by third row by 3 and add in first row, and same third row we have to multiply by 9 and add in second row. So we will write down R3 multiply by 3 and add in first row. So first row will be 0. Same thing we have to apply R3 multiply by 9 and adding second row. So R2 tends to R2 plus 9 R3. Therefore, so here third row is both the side. So first of all write down third row 0 minus 1 4 is equals to minus 2 0 1 into 8. So first of all you have to apply this operation. So 3 0 into, so here 3 into 0 0 plus 1 1. Here minus 1 into 3. So minus 3 plus 3 0. Here 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 2. So 10. Same for the one you have to apply same operation on right hand side. So minus 2 into 3. So minus. So here 4 3s are 12 minus 2. So answer will be plus 10, not minus 10. Sorry. Same operation you have to apply on right hand side. So 3 2s are minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. 3 into 0. So answer will be same 0 as it is. Here 3 ones are 3 plus 0 3. Now we have to apply second operation. So third row multiply by 9 and 18 second row. So what happened? Here 0 into whatever number answer is 0. So 0 plus 0 0. Next here minus 9 because we have to multiply by 9. So 9 ones are minus 9 plus 9 0. Here 9 fours are 36. 36 minus 11. So 25. So here 25 because 9 fours are 36. 36 minus 11 25. Same operation you have to apply on right hand side. So here 9 twos are 18. So minus 18 plus 3. Minus 18 plus 3. So 15 minus 15 because negative number will be greater number. Next 0 into 9 0 plus 1 1. Here 9 ones are 9 plus 0. So 9. Is it here? Okay, next we have to make this element will be also we have to divide by 25 by second row. So write down R2 divide by 25 applying second row. So write down. So first and third row as it is both the sides. So first of all write down first and third row. Therefore 1 0 10. Second row 0 0 25 by 25 will be 1. So 0 0 1. Here 0 minus 1 4. 0 minus 1 4. Right hand side first and third row as it is. So minus 5 0 3. Minus 5 0 3. Second row we have to divide by 25 because we have to apply same operation on both the sides. So here minus 15 divided by 25. So 5 threes are and 5 fives are. So here minus 3 by 5. Next here divide by 25. So 1 by 25. 1 by 25. And next 9 by 25. So no one will be cancelled out. So here as it is 9 by 25. So 3 threes are 9 and 5 are 25. Next third row as it is minus 2 0 1 into 8. What is our next row? Next we have to multiply by second row with minus 4 and adding third row. And same thing we have to multiply first row by minus 10 and adding first row. So we have to write down R2 multiplied by minus 4 and adding R3. So write down R3 minus 4 R2 and R2 multiplied by minus 10 and adding R1. So second row as it is both the sides. So first of all here write down second row 0 0 1. Here minus 3 by 5 1 by 5 9 by 20 5 5 5. So here 25. Now we have to apply first operation. So first of all we have to multiply by 4 to second row and adding third row. So here what happened? Here 0. Here minus 1 as it is. Here minus 4 plus 4 0. First of all same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So multiply by 4 to second row. Keep in mind and simplification is very careful. So we have to apply first this operation on right hand side. So minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 4 and adding third row. So third row will be minus 2 0 1. So first we add minus 2. So here 3 4s are 12 minus 12 by 5 minus 2. So here 5 2s are here minus plus sorry. So 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 10 by 5 is equals to 2 by 5. Here write down 2 by 5. Same thing we have to multiply by minus 4 to 1 by 5. So minus 4 into 1 by 25 because we are getting 0. So answer will be minus 4 by 25. So here write down minus 4 by 25. Same thing we have to multiply these elements. So minus 4 into 9 by 25 and adding plus 1. So 9 4s are 36 minus 36 upon 25 plus 1. So here we have to take LCM. So minus 36 plus 25 divided by 25. So minus 36 plus 25. So minus 11 by 25. So here I have minus 11 by 25. Same next operation we have to apply. R1 minus 10 R2. So we have to multiply second row by minus 2. So minus 10 and again first. So first row will be minus 10 into 0, 0 plus 1, so 1. Here minus 1 into 0 into 0 again 0. 1 into minus 10, so minus 10 plus 10 0. Same also we have to apply on right hand side. So minus 3 by 5 into minus 10. So minus 3 by 5 into minus 10 and again first row. So minus 5. Here minus minus plus 5 is 10. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So here I have 1. Minus 10 multiplied by 1 by 25 and adding first row. So first row will be 0. So plus 0. So 2 5s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So answer will be minus 2 by 5 because 5 5 cancel out. Here I have minus 2 by 5. What about third row? So 9 by 25 multiplied by 10. 9 by 25 multiplied by minus 10 plus 3 because we have to multiply by minus 10. So plus 3. Here 5 5s are left and 5 2s are. So 9 2s are minus 18 by 5 plus 3. Now here we have to take LCM. So 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 18. So minus 3. Minus 3 by 5. So here I have minus 3 by 5. But what is our goal? We have to make left hand side will be identity matrix. But here the a to 2 element will be 0. But we have to make a to 2 element will be 1. So we have to simply interchanging the second and third row. So second row will be 1. So what is our next goal? Simply we have to interchanging second and third row. So write down R2 to R3. Therefore, so first row as it is 1 0 0 both the side. First row as it is there will be no change, minus 2 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 into A. So simply we have to interchange. So here write down 0 minus 1 0. Here write down 0 0 1. Here write down 2 by 5 minus 4 by 25 minus 11 by 25 and third row will be minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 and 9 by 25. Okay. Last here we have to make plus 1. So simply we have to multiply by second row with 1. So what happened? So last step will be, so write down R2 multiplied by minus R2. So we have to multiply by minus 1. So therefore first and third row there will be no change. 1 0 0. Here 0 0 1. Sorry 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 is equal to, here again first and third row there will be no change. So 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Second row there will be a different sign plus, so minus 2 by 5 because we have to multiply by minus 5. Minus 2 by 5 4 by 25 and third one is 11 by 25 and third row will be as it is minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 and 9 by 25 into A. Therefore I is equals to B into A. Therefore B is equals to, it is our final answer. So 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 4 by 25 1 by 25 minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 and 9 by 25 is equals to A equals. It gives our inverse of given question. So final answer we have to write down in big writing. Here write down. So answer will be A inverse is equals to A inverse is equals to 1 minus 2 by 5, 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 4 by 5 25 sorry and 1 by 25 and third row will be minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 and 9 by 25 and write down note down